Okay, another thing I'll be talking about is the audio interface connectivity function. I'm going to show you step by step how to connect an audio interface. So with me, I have the complete audio to audio interface. Let's disconnect it and reconnect it. So this is my audio interface or sound card. So as you can see, it has so many controls here, but the most important controls I'm going to talk about as we connect them. Behind here is my um, two stereo system, left and right, where my two speakers uh, will come through to collect the sound signal. This is my output. And we have my input for my input one. This is a 2-channel sound card. So we have my input for the microphones or instruments. Here we have line level for instruments and for line level for microphones, and the instrument input here. And we have the button, the line, and the one we use to switch to line level or to instrument. This also have a phantom. This is a phantom power, but these ones we can experiment them when we are recording. When you're using a condenser mic, you need to have your phantom power on. And this port here is for the headphones, right here. That's where you put your headphones. Straight away, I'm going to show you how we connect this audio interface, because that's why we are making this video, to demonstrate how we connect this same audio interface. So you need to know that in the earlier days we had Firewire, Thunderbolt, is it F? So many connectivities, but we have the common one, which is the USB connectivity. So this audio interface is connected via USB. Where is my USB? So here is my USB. Let me show you my USB cable that I use to connect this audio interface. So this is my USB cable, as you can see. My USB cable. Normal USB. So most of these audio interfaces, like nowadays, they are connected via USB. But there are other connectivities like Firewire, which I do not have here. I would have demonstrated them though. But for this audio interface, the one that I have, it uses USB connectivity. So I'm going to show you how we connect this same audio interface. So this port, as you can see, it is even showing see my camera is a bit it's not good. So but this part is written USB, this white writings here is USB. This is where I plug this side like this. Then this part goes to my computer. Like this. So once I have my, as you can see, my sound card is on. So I need to switch off my phantom power here. So my sound card is on. It is on. To demonstrate my sound card is on, I'm going to add the speakers. So like I said, these two ports, the output here is what determines where you place, is where you put the speak-on cables to collect the sound and take them to the monitor speakers for a monitoring system. So I'm going to connect my speakers. So this is my left, which is output 2. And this is my right, output 1. So this port is where I would connect my microphone. This is the port where I would connect my microphone if I'm recording a microphone vocal or anything that I want to record. And this is where I would connect my instruments as well. If I want to play, connect my guitar. So I'm going to switch this on so that you can see if we have connected it safely, if we have successfully connected the audio interface safe and sound. So I'm going to switch my monitors on. But before that, note, there is something you need to know about this audio interface. You should know that for some audio interface, you need to download drives, but for some, they connect automatically. But if you successfully connect like this and it does not show in your audio system on your computer, then that requires you to download drives for that specific audio interface. If you download those drives, you install them on your computer, then you can set it. So I'm going to show you how we can set it. You need to open your DAW and you go on, for Reaper, you go on options, then preference. You'll find where it's written audio, device, then audio. So after setting my audio interface, like the way we did earlier, like I said, for some drives, even if you do what we are from doing, it will not work. You find that you are done with the cable connection and you have done it just properly, but you find that it is not working. It is not responding. So for that, you need to download audio, the software or the drives. These drives, you download them for the setting. For example, if you want to, if this our audio complete 2 wasn't working, then we'll go on the internet and download complete audio 2 drives. And when we download those drives, we install them on our PC. After installing them on our computer, that's when we'll receive a response from this audio interface. Same applies to other audio interface like the Behringer. You need to download those audio those drives for them for your audio interface to respond. For us, we have the drives already installed in here. So what we do is we open our DAW, or we can even check from our computer here. It is already set. This is the computer audio like this, and here this is our audio interface. So you need to change this to the audio interface. Same as when you go in your DAW, you might need to you have to change it. Of course, you have to change it for you. And for you to do that, you go on options. This is Reaper, preference, and find where it is you have the audio settings down here. I'm sure you can scroll. Yeah, this is the audio settings. As you can see, audio. Then you click on device. You click on audio. Yeah, audio, then device. So you find that here you need to change the name. Mostly you find it's on it can be on anything associated with the computer. So you need to change it to, for here we, as you can see, this is complete audio 2. Where is complete audio? Okay, here is complete audio. So you change it to complete audio. You might need to do the same on the output as well, but it's already, as you can see, it's even showing that it's a 2-channel. There's first, there's 1 and 2. So if it's showing like this, then it's okay. And you have to confirm after changing from the audio device setting. You have to confirm. Okay. Then we can play and see if our audio interface has been connected successfully to our system. Let me play something here on Reaper. Let me confirm if my audio has been successfully connected. So as you can see, it's connected. We have managed to connect it successfully, and we are able to get sound, HD sound from this audio interface professionally. So there are so many things I haven't talked about, though, things that you need to consider. For example, if you want to record, there are so many things you need to consider on your audio interface settings. And these, let's go to options again, preference. So here you find that these are the settings that you need to focus on. For example, if I want to record here, This is my audio interface, complete audio 2, both in input and output. As you can see, both input and output, you have to change these settings. And if I were to record, I have to change these settings here from for my HD audio. I need 48,000. 48,000, and my buffer size 48,000. Oh, my sample rate should be 48,000, and my buffer size depends on how big my computer is, though, on how big your computer is. So I'll put my buffer size on 128, and latency is 21 milliseconds. So my buffer size, it depends on how your computer is, but if it's big, so for me, I like going with 128, and with my SD audio sample rate, which is 48,000. So you need to look at and consider these settings as well when you are connecting your audio interface. Then press OK to make sure those settings are set, and you are good to go. So that's all about uh, the connectivity function of audio interface. With all the knowledge about what I've talked about, you can be able to connect your audio interface or install drives on your, if it's not working. I've already said how you can solve this problem. You have to install, it means you have to install drives on your PC. Then after that, you change your audio system here. You change your audio system right here to from your computer high definition, like that's the sound that your computer comes with, and you change it to your audio interface. Like for in my case, I'm using complete audio 2 here like this. And after doing all those, you also need to change to change the settings in your DAW preference audio settings. I'm just going through what I talked about earlier. Just going through what I talked about earlier, so that you summarizing it. So you change it, and when you're done with the settings, you press OK, and you will have your sound.